Welcome to Fisher Towers. Starting the video here in Moab, Utah. Following the route in yellow north out of Moab, we turned right onto Highway 128 that follows the twists and turns of the Colorado River as it carves its way through the canyon. This really is an awesome drive, and we are now arriving in the valley of the Fisher Towers. I know of a few recent films and shows that have filmed here in this valley. Kevin Costner's Horizon movie series and HBO's Westworld. Located just 20 miles east of Moab, the Fisher Towers rise like monumental sculptures above a spectacular valley in the Colorado River. I have been wanting to make this video for some time now because Fisher Towers are simply awesome. The most incredible rock formation near Moab, Utah, in my opinion, and that's saying something given the number of awesome rock formations near Moab. Fisher Towers are great for hikers and climbers alike. For hikers, there is a 2-mile trail designated a National Recreation Trail, which winds to the base and up to panoramic overlooks of the towers. Climbers began tackling these fragile towers in the early 1960s. The Titan's famed Finger of Fate route, first climbed in 1962, is one of the 50 classic North American climbs. For tourists, Fisher Towers is a jackpot of stunning vistas and photogenic rock forms. For camping, the 5-site campground is Spartan with no water or shade, but of course there is an outhouse. It's best visited in spring or fall because of the heat of the summer. So whether you hike or climb or just pause for the view, Fisher Towers rewards with its stunning beauty. It's Moab's red rock crown jewel.